Hey guys, just doing another quick shorthand video showing off the BA XR6 front pods that I've just ordered. Just doing a bit of an unboxing and showing you guys what they look like. So for some of you guys who may know, on the I think it's the BF, the Rebel and the Aggressor cars, I'll put a photo up on screen. The front bars had these extra front pods that kind of sat along and contoured along the bar. And OzeParts actually now sell them both for BA and BF Falcons aftermarket. So I'm currently painting up a BA XR6 front bumper to replace the XT, or it's technically the gear, but it looks like an XT front end on my car. So I ordered a set of these to go on my car, just to make it look a bit nicer and a little bit different. So we should have two in here, one being the left and one being the right. Let's take a look. So this is what the piece looks like. So it sits up on the front of the bumper, kind of up under it. And normally on the Aggressor ones you do two-tone, so you have colour match to your car and then the black, but I think on mine I'm probably just going to paint them to colour match because I'm not going for the Aggressor look. I just kind of wanted to add something to the front bar to make it look a little bit neater. So this is the front bumper that I'm currently working on and fixing up to put on my car, just a standard BA XR6 bumper. Bit of a work in progress. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll hopefully be better than what's on the car. And this is kind of how these pieces will fit up along. So it'll sit on the front bar like that, and it kind of just gives it a bit of extra poke, a bit of thickness, and just with any of the silly things that people do to their cars, it makes it look a bit different. So I'll have to do a follow-up video once I get this bar all painted and get this put on there, but I'm pretty happy with how that part looks overall. I'll have to give it a scuff up and give it a paint. It's really got like almost a sparkly finish to it, which is kind of cool, but as I said before, I'm probably just going to colour match it to the bar. So if you're interested to see how that's going to look when it's done, make sure to subscribe to see my future videos. Thanks.